Hi, welcome to my channel, or welcome back. My name is Timiia and today's video is going to be how to manifest money. I'm sure there are more methods on how to do this other than this one, but this method in particular works because I've tried it myself twice and it worked. All you need to do this is a Sharpie and a piece of paper. So this method requires you to write yourself a check. If you already have a checkbook, you can fast forward ahead in this video and fill in exactly what I do. But if you don't, the first thing we're going to do is write out the template. The first step is to write the date. Next, you're going to write paid to the order of and then draw a line next to it. Then you're going to draw your amount box. Next, you're going to write your for line, your signature line, and your affirmation at the bottom. Lastly, it's time to fill in the blanks. For your date, you would write now because we want our money now in the present moment. For paid to the order of, you would write your name because this is the universe's check to you. Then in the amount box, you would write the amount of money that you would like to receive. I'm going to write $300 just for this video. Then on the next line, you would write out $300. And then next to that, I like to write pay in full because I want to receive all of the money in one go at once. The reason why we write in a safe and healthy way is because we don't want to receive our money in any sort of suspicious or illegal way at all. We want it to be completely safe, healthy, and genuine and legal. On your for line, you're going to write what the money is for. Now, if the money is for a car or a house, or you just want spending money, you can put that. But if you just want money in general, the default would be financial abundance because abundance is everyone's birthright. So we would get a little more specific and say financial abundance so that the universe and angels know specifically what we want it for. On the line next to that, you're gonna write the universe and angels because that's who's writing the check to us. And I like to write the affirmation at the bottom to seal the deal. So that is your check. Now what you do is put it in a safe place and try to detach from an outcome or date of when you will receive your money. The best time to do this method is during the moon phases. The 2 times I tried this method, I wrote myself a check on a new moon, and then by the next new moon, I had received my money. You can do this, or you can start doing it on a full moon and wait till the next full moon to receive it. But I just found that writing myself a check on a new moon works best for me. Keep in mind that you receiving your money won't happen overnight. It also won't happen if you're obsessing over when you'll receive it. Once you write your check, try to release all attachment to it and believe that it will come to you. This also may not work if you're in a really low vibration because that can sometimes block your blessings. So try to raise your vibrations. If you want me to make a video on how to do that, I will. You can let me know in the comments. But yeah, that's it for today's video. If you watched this far, thank you so much. I really appreciate you taking time out of your life to watch me. Subscribe if you want, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!